Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to build a calculator entirely using Copilot. I will also show you how different prompts can lead to different outcomes when working with AI. Let's get started. If you want to learn how to integrate Copilot into Visual Studio Code, check out the video linked below. Let's start by writing what we want. We want to create a calculator. When I asked the AI to write one for me, it did give me something, a basic calculator written in Python. It takes input from the console and prints out the results. Yes, you can write almost anything you want with AI, but you need to know your direction and give it clear, specific instructions. What I really wanted was a calculator right in front of me, where I could click numbers and operators. Also, I wanted it written in HTML and JavaScript. When you don't give specific instructions, the AI makes assumptions, and it uses those assumptions to create something for you to work with. So let's improve our prompt to get exactly what we want. First, I open an HTML file in advance. What I want is a calculator that runs in the browser. So I ask Copilot to create a simple calculator using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This way, I'll have a visual calculator neatly written in a single HTML file. I also give it a hint about the design of the calculator. If you have specific rules, you should constrain the AI accordingly, just like I do with the button backgrounds and styling choices. This time, I give the AI a clear, solid direction, so instead of making assumptions, it gives me exactly what I asked for. I'm happy with the result, so you can go ahead and click Apply Changes. Then click Save Changes. Let's try it out. Find the HTML file we just updated, then double-click it to open it in your browser. Here's our calculator. As you can see, the AI gave me exactly what I asked for. However, it still needs some refinements. Since I didn't provide any instructions about the layout, the buttons, operators, and numbers are arranged in an unfamiliar way. AI does exactly what we ask for, but it doesn't think beyond that to figure out what we might have wanted next. That is why your prompt is key. It fine-tunes the outcome to match your expectations. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us.